Hello guys, how are you? How do you do? I hope you're fine, doing well. I'm fine, and I thank God for you to take your opportunity and watch this video. So today I begin this video by looking for a ring light, a tripod stand online, and I just wanted not an expensive one. I just want one that is not above 2000 Kenya shilling, as in that is my budget for now. I like looking for people's comments on ring lights or anything, any product online, on what people have commented, because they have already bought the product and they have already used it, so they know what it is. So guys, that's it. And here you can see this triple stand up to 9,000. Wow, it's expensive for me for now. My budget is 2,000 and that's what I'm looking for. So there is one even for 1450. Wow, but that is a triple stand only. I want a triple stand with a ring light. So let's continue looking. I guess I'll take this one for 7 feet 10 inches stand. I guess I'm settling for this one. It's way below my budget. No, that's way too expensive. So I took the one for 1650, and here is when we were coming from the mall to pick it 4 days after ordering. Good morning everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Sharon Isaac Kenya here. If you're new here, kindly consider subscribing, and to my returning subscribers, thank you. I really appreciate you guys. On today's video, we're going to be doing bed sheet changing and a bit of cleaning of this and that, and I will be taking you along, guys, so stay along. I'm going to begin by changing the beddings. Apart from these little pillows, they're the ones which I'm not going to be changing, but for the rest of them I'm going to be changing my pillowcases, and just stay with me. So guys, as I'm changing this pillowcase, not the blankets of course, I'd like to take this opportunity to appreciate you and thank you so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. And if you have not yet subscribed, kindly be sure to subscribe to support this YouTube channel. Yes, thank you, I appreciate you, and may God bless you. As much as it's good to keep the bedroom clean, I love changing my bed sheets oftenly, like after 2 to 3 days, not daily, 2 to 3 days, especially 3 days. Yes, 3 days. Because guys, this is not an easy job. Removing the bed sheet, cleaning them. Okay, And I like turning this mattress after every 6 months, and this time round I had stayed a lot without turning it. I like turning it because ndio isiishe side moja yenye nalalia, so natakanga iishe ikiwa evenly, si side moja imesink side ingine iko juu. So I'm going to start by spreading the mattress cover, then I'll spread the bed sheet, and that will be it.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me.
Our bedroom is clean.
Wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now.
So guys, it's time to clean the shoe rack. We are going to wipe all the shoes and the shoe rack on its own. I've stayed for a very long time without cleaning this shoe rack and the shoes, and some shoes even also have stayed for a very long time without being worn, so I'm going to be cleaning them too. And then we will finish by cleaning the floor, and that will be it for the cleaning.
Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. But we can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Thank you for taking your time to watch my video. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. May God bless you. Remember to subscribe to help grow this channel.
Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. what you wanna say to me